The tallgrass prairie once stretched from southern Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. From the western bluffs of the Missouri River to the eastern shores of the Wabash in what is now the state of Indiana. A sea of grass covering 400,000 square miles of some of the most fertile land on Earth. Creation of a landscape as vast and complex as the tallgrass prairie required the right combination of climate, soil, and eons of time. To the west, the Rocky Mountains rose 25 million years ago, creating a rain shadow that extended beyond the Mississippi River. From the north, glaciers advanced and retreated, scouring the hills and leaving behind large deposits of till. And from the south, winds from the Gulf of Mexico brought just enough rain to permit the growth of vegetation taller than the shorter prairie grasses evolving on the Great Plains. But the extremes of weather, periodic droughts, and harsh winters discouraged the growth of trees. Tallgrass prairie owes its existence to hot, dry summers and to cold, dry winters. Fire played a role as well. Touched off by violent lightning storms and whipped by the wind, wildfires would spread unimpeded for miles, preventing the encroachment of forests from the east. And Native Americans learned to use fire to manipulate the environment for their own benefit. Their use of fire was so extensive that it altered the landscape. In the place of trees, an incredible variety of plants and grasses evolved. The tough, deep roots of the grasses created the prairie's deep, rich topsoil. And prairie plants called legumes injected growth-promoting nitrogen into it. Above ground, prairie insects fed off the plants, pollinating the next generation as they moved from plant to plant. An equally complex variety of animals evolved. A myriad of insects. Over 100 species of birds. And the most magnificent animal North America ever produced, the bison.